who y'all know?
Me, it's all right.
Okay, get them from Jason.
Okay.
Compute the value of the bond in scenario 3 above. The payments are made semi-annually instead of annually.
Should have left the damn thing up there. You're gonna see it again. All right, so scenario 3 again.
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, if I have an 8.5% bond and it pays interest semi-annually, how much will each interest payment be? How much?
4.2.
I thought you said 4.25.
4.2
Should be a big bond yield, yeah. Okay, 42.50, everybody understand that? Half of $85. Because instead of getting one $85 payment at the end of the year, I get two $42.50 payments twice a year. Once at the 6-month mark and once at the 1-year mark, okay? So I now have 1 minus 1 over what? Well, I've cut the payment in half. What do I have to do to K here? Have to, so what do I get?
1.0325.
0.
3.325.
Okay,
20.
and then 0.0325. 325, of course, is half of 6.5, right? We okay here? How many time periods now? 20. And of course, I have the same thing over here. Because I now have semi-annual compounding at work as opposed to annual compounding. And I don't have a clue what this is, except is the value of this going to go down or up? Why would it go up?
It's the present value of money.
Okay,
Did that first payment have a year earlier?
okay,
Or all of them earlier?
okay, now hold on. Remember the last one, the annual payments. Andy, give me these numbers again if you would. What was in here? On the
So
original one.
For the,
This bond here, only for annual payments. You gave me the total, no you didn't. You gave me the total for this one. You have the total, you have the breakdown for this too, somebody?
611.
Okay, hold on, 611,
533.
okay? Those were the totals of this when it was on an annual basis. What are the totals now?
617.92.
618 then?
Sure. And 527.47.
We had one go up, right? The present value of the annuity of payments did go up exactly as we would expect, for exactly the reason Jordan pointed out, right? I get the first payment at the 6-month mark that has value to me. But the present value of that individual amount of money went down. Because remember, we've got a one-shot payment out there. What just happened to the number of compounding periods we're using? It doubled. Now, you know what happens to the future value of something when the compounding periods go up? That future value increases. And since the future value of an individual amount of money and the present value of an individual amount of money are reciprocals, if the future value is going up, folks, the present value is going down. I'll let you know a little secret. In this particular case, this goes up, right? Because we pick up, what, $7 here and lose 6 here. So we're up $1. Is that right? Yeah. So Jordan was right. If you do this exact same thing for this bond, guess what you're going to find out? It actually goes down in value. Okay? Again, take 650 if you really want to know why. There's twice today, and I'm going to regret it.
is that analogous to any time K is higher or lower than the coupon rate?
Yes. Anytime you got a bond selling at a premium, if you go from annual rates to semi-annual rates, the value goes up. Again, not by much. Remember, this is only $1.
But if it's selling at a discount,
It goes down.
it goes down?
If it's selling at par, what do you suppose happens?
Nothing.
Absolutely nothing. Okay? I mean, this bond is $1,000. It's $1,000. It's $1,000. I don't care if it compounds, instantaneous. Okay? Yeah, but the question is, can we do this? Can we make the adjustments here to go from annual to semi-annual, ignoring, again, the little nuances of the bond market? Please understand, 650 is a course about bonds. The first half of that class is basically what we covered in 3 hours. Okay? understand how much more there is to these fixed income securities than anything that we touched on here. This is a very, very basic run at these things. But we okay here? Can you make this adjustment? That's the key. Okay, can we adjust? We good? Are we now done with